This is the process for calibrating our Eco Tester pH 2 meters. So you've got the power button, calibration process button in the middle, hold and enter button. If you need to change the batteries, you can just lift off the top over here. So we're going to start with turning it on, and hopefully it shows something on the screen, which is great. It is showing us it's got a little bit of a low battery, but hopefully this is still going to work for our process. We do have our distilled water. We can pop it into there. Always give it a rinse before we start going through our calibration process. I'm going to start with our pH 10 solution. So we'll pop our probe into here. And that's reading about a 9.3, 9.4, and gradually climbing. So that's quite good. To put it into a calibration process, we hit the calibration button in the middle. It will flash cal a few times. And now it's flashing on 9.6. And you just want to leave it sitting here in the solution. Once it's recognized that it's reading at either 4, 7, or 10, and it is happy with there we go, it's happy with a constant number of the top end, and now it's calibrated to 10.1. So we're going to give that rinse in a distilled water, dry off our probe, some paper towel, and we're going to go to our pH 4 solution. Once again, same process. Pop it into the 4, and you can see it's already dropped down to 4.3, 4.2, so it is reading in the correct range. Once again, it is sitting on 4, but we are going to go through the calibration process. So hit the button, hit the cal button. We have cal flashing on the screen. The number is reading currently at the moment is flashing. Just keep your probe in the calibration buffer solution while it is still flashing. And eventually, once it's happy with a stable reading, we'll get our final flash, and it should read 4. There we go. It says enter 4.0. Great. So we've calibrated for 2 points. Give it a quick rinse in the distilled water. Dry it off with a paper towel. And we're going to finish on our pH 7, our neutral buffer solution. And it's the exact same process. So put the probe into our buffer solution. It is reading 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. So it's recognizing that it's in the right range, which is great. And once again, hit cal, and the numbers are going to flash while it's reading. It's already sitting on 7, but it is flashing, so keep your probe in the solution. And it's going to keep flashing until it's happy with a stable reading. Enter, and stable on 7.0. So that's now calibrated and ready to go to take a sample on our waterways.